Hi, in this video, I will show you how to pin a message on Telegram. So first, you have to open your Telegram application and then locate that specific conversation here. For example, my conversation with this person. And let's just say I wanted to pin this message right here. So if you tap that message and then click the three dots, the pin option is not here. So what you're going to do is to tap back, and then here you have to tap this three dots. Then you should see the pin option below, and then this message will pop up. And all you have to do is tap on pin. And as you can see, your message has been pinned. So even if it's like a long conversation here and there are tons of messages, as long as you have pinned a message, then it will be easier for you to locate that. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.